Welcome to the Bower Band chicken coop. This is the fence that we just built. That is Baby Doll. That's Rocket. Inside, standing up is Sweet Pea, and then you can barely see Roxy. She's the ugly one. Hello. Wow. Baby Doll likes to fly. This is their coop. It's pretty nice. Come on, Rocket. They're kind of timid. There's Roxy. And Sweet Pea chasing all of them. You guys are hiding. Why are you hiding? You guys are getting pretty big. Whoa, run away. There's my Roxy. Say bye, guys.